Well, we knew this was coming. COVID-19 changing Halloween. The state announcing new guidelines. CBS 2's Stephen Graves is at a haunted house in Melrose Park. Stephen, it seems like they'll have to shut down.
Erica, that's right. And the demand for haunted houses right now during the pandemic is still high. The first few nights here at this haunted house in Melrose Park all sold out. Right now, I'm told owners across the state are meeting on how to move forward in this. The state simply saying it is not safe for them to open. A new, rare type of scare for people this Halloween in the age of COVID-19. Illinois health officials say it'll have to be done at a social distance of 6 feet. Candy spread out on tables for trick-or-treating. And if one of your outings is at a haunted house, think again.
The problem is with indoor haunted houses, which tend to be very enclosed, not a lot of open space. And as a result, the viral load can get high.
Today, officials making it clear that Phase 4 guidelines mean haunted houses should be closed. But some owners tell CBS 2 they see things differently. The Dungeon of Doom in the northern suburb of Zion has been open and operating, planning the COVID-safe debut for months. They require masks or face shields on actors. Ticketing is different. Social distancing and time slots will separate groups. There are even plexiglass dividers.
While our customers still remain separated.
In the western suburbs, Aurora's mayor recently promoted a local haunted house, one that also pledged safety.
Retrain our actors to still be this creepy character, but to also keep your distance.
CBS 2 emailed the state health department about clarification on this, a spokesperson saying, quote, people are prone to screaming while going through a haunted house, which can facilitate the spread of the virus.
But I encourage people to accept the situation, but try to be creative this holiday season.
The recommendation now, switching to open air festivities. And for adults, health officials are urging you to avoid those crowded costume parties. Back to these owners at haunted houses. Again, they are meeting right now. I'm told to put out a press release to tell people they're still going to remain open indoors. Erica?
All right. Well, Stephen, some of those haunted houses, the owners say they did get clearance to open from their local government. So what's the state saying about that?
Yeah, that was their ploy here, telling me that, local health officials came in and said it was okay. Well, I asked the IDPH. They simply said no, that's not allowed. But we know in this pandemic, it really comes down to enforcement. Owners here saying that they're going to try their hardest because this is the season to make money, right? And so they even have to make up the deficit in these different things that they've done to accommodate the pandemic, the plexiglass, all that stuff. We're talking thousands of dollars here, so they're going to try their best to make this work.
All right, Stephen Graves, thank you.